Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change country or location in OmeTV, especially on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and to change country or location on OmeTV, I recommend you to download a VPN. I recommend you to download this Turbo VPN. You can get this VPN app from Play Store. So you can open up your Play Store and then you're going to search for Turbo VPN. This one. You can install this VPN on your Android mobile phone, and after you have installed this application, you can open this application and activate the VPN for OmeTV. Okay, wait, I'm going to tap on later. Okay, and then I'm going to click on tap to connect to activate the VPN. Okay, and now the VPN is connected and it's time to choose the location. As you can see guys, that my current location is United States, Chicago, and I'm going to change it to another location. I'm going to choose, wait, oops, it's not free. And for your information, not all countries are free. So you can only choose the free location. I'm going to choose, okay, this one, Phoenix. It's free. Alright, and just wait for a moment. Okay, and now it's done. The location has been selected, and then we can go to our OmeTV to change the location on OmeTV. Okay, I'm going to open up my OmeTV and wait, it's still loading. Okay, can select United States. Okay, okay, that's easy, right? You just need to use VPN, and then your location in OmeTV will be changed according to your VPN or according to the location you have selected in the VPN app. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change country or location on TV, especially on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.